today we're gonna be making sheet pan fajitas. So I went ahead and went to my butcher and I had them slice up fajita strips. If you want to do it yourself, all it is top sirloin steak, and then you just cut it in strips, or you can buy the already cut fajita strips. So first of all, I'm gonna dump the meat right on the sheet pan. So this pan is lined with parchment. One thing I keep getting comments about is my channel, some of the recipes are too simple. Well, a lot of the reason I do these recipes is that, you know, by the time that you get to be my age and your kids are out of the house and all of that, and you've been cooking for 20 years, you kind of want something simple. Or if you're a beginner and you just don't know what you're doing, that's also helpful. So in this case, my family, as I mentioned in several videos, don't like bell peppers and onions. So I'm just gonna do a little bit, but I would suggest if you like bell peppers and you like onions, add a third bell pepper, but I'm just gonna do 2 for my recipe. And of course, these are washed already. All right, and in my case, I'm gonna use half of a white onion, but if you like onions, again, use the whole onion. Okay, now that I've got that done, I'm gonna put the bell peppers right in the middle. And then we're gonna put our onions on the side. I would not suggest right now using raw tortillas. I got these fresh made from also where my butcher is. And I happen to have the foil sheets, but you can use whatever sheets you have or just normal foil. You do want something between your tortillas. So let's do that, and then we're gonna season. So we're gonna pour about 2 tablespoons of oil over all of this. I happen to make my own Southwest taco seasoning, but you absolutely can just use right here 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning, or you can use fajita seasoning, but I'm gonna use my homemade. So if anybody wants the recipe for this, I'll put it in the... Okay, and so now we're just gonna take our tongs. We're just going to mix our meat up, make sure it's nice and covered. Again, I put about 2 tablespoons of Southwest. If you like it spicy, use cayenne. For me, I'm also gonna use some Kinder's garlic, salt, pepper, my favorite seasoning. I'm just gonna add that really quick over the top. All right, and it's ready to go in the oven, 400 for 12 to 15 minutes until your steak is done. You guys, this is exactly what they should look like. Steak's nice and done, bell peppers and onions, and now I'm gonna make one for you. And then we're gonna put cheese. And then I'm gonna use, again, this amazing salsa cremosa. You can get it at Walmart, super delicious. It's not sponsored, it's just delicious. And then I have to have a little cilantro on mine. And then I'm just gonna try this. So delicious. Try this. Fajitas, super easy weeknight meal, sheet pan. Have a nice day. Hope you try it.